Hello everyone, here are the latest market news on July the 1st, 2019. Swiss Bourse implements new trade rules. Swiss Stock Exchange, also known as Bourse, will implement new trade rules for stocks from Nestle to Swatch Group. This move will take place as Switzerland put never-before-tested provisions to safeguard liquidity in the situation of hard Brexit. The opening bell for Europe's fourth largest share market rings at 9 a.m. on Monday in Zurich. Investors who had to revise their game plan and reroute trades after the Swiss Bourse lost recognition EU rules will be on the lookout for price distortions or shortage of liquidity. Amid a global equity rally, Swiss market index September futures rose 1.2% by 8:15 a.m., while Julius Baer's pre-market trading platform showed the index 0.7% higher. Stocks rose, yen up on U.S China trade truce. U.S. and European equity futures climbed along with the yen after the U.S. and China reached a truce in trade war and agreed to resume talks. Futures on the S&P 500 surged 1.1%, continuing 0.6% rise on Friday. Indexes in Japan and China, Topix and Shanghai Composite rose more than 2%, while European futures advanced 1% after the deal between Presidents Xi Jinping and Donald Trump maintained investor hopes heading into Saturday's meeting. The tech sector led gains in Asia after Trump's weekend decision to allow China tech champion Huawei Technologies Co. to buy some products from U.S. suppliers. For example, Largan Precision surged 10% in Taiwan trading. The offshore yuan added 0.3% to 6,8461 per dollar, while yen fell 0.5% to 108.36 per dollar. Oil prices soar amid continued supply caught by OPEC+. Oil prices raised more than $1 a barrel on Monday after Saudi Arabia, Russia, and Iraq baked an extension of supply cuts for another 6 to 9 months ahead of an OPEC meeting in Vienna. Front-month Brent crude futures for September touched an intraday high of $66.44 a barrel and traded up $1.57 or 2.4% at $66.31 a barrel. U.S. crude futures for August rose $1.36 or 2.3% to $59.83 a barrel after earlier hitting a peak of $60.10, the highest in over 5 weeks. Russian President Vladimir Putin said on Sunday that he had agreed with Saudi Arabia to extend existing output cuts of 1.2 million barrels per day by 6 to 9 months. Trump and Xi restart talks, trade truce at work. The United States and China agreed on Saturday to restart trade talks after President Donald Trump offered concessions, including to new tariffs and an easing of restrictions on tech company Huawei, in order to reduce tensions with Beijing. China agreed to make unspecified new purchases of U.S. foreign products and return to the negotiation table, Trump said. No deadline was set for progress on a deal, and the world's two largest economies remain at odds over significant parts of an agreement. China is sincere about continuing negotiations with the United States, but negotiations should be equal and show mutual respect, the foreign ministry quoted Xi's statement on the summit of leaders of the Group of 20.